The NZXT H3 Flow PC case is a compact micro ATX chassis that still leaves plenty of room for powerful components and clean layouts. Its perforated front, top, and power supply shroud use fine metal mesh to move a large volume of air while helping to keep dust under control. Support for multiple radiators and several fan positions makes it easy to build a very cool and quiet system in this small footprint case. Despite the modest size, it comfortably fits long, full-size graphics cards, so you are not forced into low-power hardware. Pre-installed rear exhaust, tidy cable routing channels, and compatibility with rear connection motherboards make it straightforward to achieve a very clean-looking build. Tool-free access to the side, front, and top panels simplifies upgrades, maintenance, and general tinkering over the life of the system.